Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to destination for make money online opportunities and tips to boost your online income. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to make money online with Shopify. If you've ever wondered how to turn your entrepreneurial aspirations into a thriving online business, you've come to the right place. In this video, we dive deep into a strategic Shopify tutorial for beginners, offering invaluable tips, expert insights, and proven techniques to skyrocket your sales and to help you learn with Shopify. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your existing Shopify store to new heights, join us as we navigate the ins and outs of e-commerce success. So are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money with Shopify? Then buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to learn, grow, and ultimately achieve financial freedom with Shopify. Watch this video until the end as we dive deep into 4 valuable tips to skyrocket your Shopify sales and amplify your profits. But before we get into the video, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with Shopify. Make sure to check out that link. And now let's get straight into the video. So what is Shopify? Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that empowers entrepreneurs and businesses to create and manage their online stores with ease. It offers a range of tools and features to set up and customize a professional-looking website, manage inventory, process payments, track orders, and more. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your first online business or a seasoned entrepreneur expanding your existing Shopify store, Shopify provides the resources and support needed to succeed in the world of e-commerce. With its user-friendly interface and extensive app ecosystem, Shopify makes it simple for anyone to launch and grow a successful online store. Picture this: your very own Shopify store, buzzing with sales and brimming with opportunity. Shopify isn't just any old platform. It's the gold standard, trusted by entrepreneurs worldwide to rake in not just profits, but mountains of cash. With Shopify, you're not just selling products, you're unleashing your potential to earning big, all while kicking back and letting the platform do the heavy lifting. Why settle for mediocrity when you can strive for excellence with Shopify? This powerhouse platform isn't just your average online store setup. It's a game changer, a one-stop shop for all your e-commerce needs. With its seamless integration of web domains, hosting, payment gateways, and more, all at your fingertips. Unlike those shady schemes that promise the moon and deliver nothing but disappointment, Shopify is the real deal, a bona fide success engine trusted by industry giants like Pixar, Evernote, and Wikipedia. These heavy hitters know what's up. Shopify isn't just a tool, it's a pathway to prosperity in the digital age. Plus, with total control over your site's design and layout, you're not just following the trends, you're setting them. Don't just dream of success, seize it with this Shopify tutorial for beginners. Now, the inevitable question of cost, but fear not, because even in this realm, Shopify has your back. Sure, it's not free, but let's put things in perspective on how you can learn with Shopify and create a Shopify store. For just $51 a month, you're gaining access to a wealth of tools and resources that can catapult your business to the next level. And yes, there's a small fee of 2.6% on every sale, but think of it as an investment in your success rather than a setback. Plus, here's the kicker: Shopify throws in a generous 1-month free trial for $1 for all new users. That's right, 1 entire month to explore, experiment, and envision your future basically for free. So if by some rare chance you don't fall head over heels for Shopify, no harm done. Simply walk away and try something else. But trust me, once you experience the power and potential of Shopify, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It's time to take that leap of faith and unlock the limitless possibilities awaiting you in the world of e-commerce. With Shopify's business model, you call the shots without ever lifting a finger on inventory. That's right. With Shopify dropshipping, the world is your marketplace, and Shopify is your trusty sidekick. Gone are the days of tedious inventory management and shipping headaches. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, Shopify works its magic behind the scenes, seamlessly delivering the product straight to their doorstep. It's the ultimate hands-free approach to entrepreneurship, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your empire and living the life of your dreams. With Shopify dropshipping by your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve in the vast landscape of online business. So, are you ready to join the ranks of savvy entrepreneurs and revolutionize the way you do business? The future awaits, and it's yours for the taking with Shopify. Ready to turn your dreams into dollars? Let's take a tour into the exhilarating world of selling with Shopify. First, head over to Shopify and kickstart your journey by signing up for an account. Simply input your details and verify your email address. It's that easy. Once you're in, brace yourself for the thrill of creating your very own online Shopify store. With just a few clicks, you'll be choosing from a plethora of eye-catching themes and securing the perfect domain name to captivate your audience. Then, it's time to define your niche and select a category that screams success. Voila! Your Shopify store is officially open for business. Congratulations on launching your digital Shopify dropshipping storefront. But wait, there's more to this Shopify tutorial for beginners. Now it's time to turn your vision into cold, hard cash. With Shopify as your trusty ally, the sky's the limit. So, what are you waiting for? Today is the day for you to start to learn with Shopify. Let's make those sales and watch your bank account soar to new heights. Now let's turn that digital real estate into a cash cow. Welcome to the thrilling world of Shopify dropshipping, where the name of the game is simple: buy low, sell high. And guess what? Shopify has your back every step of the way. Dive into the global marketplace and uncover hidden gems by sourcing products from countries like China, where prices are a steal. Need a starting point? Look no further than AliExpress or Alibaba, your treasure trove of profit potential. Browse through a vast array of products ripe for resale, and when you've found your niche, it's time to pounce. Pick several standout products within your chosen category and list them on your site with pride. With Shopify as your trusted partner, there's no limit to the profits you can rake in. So seize this moment, fire up your entrepreneurial spirit, and let's turn those dreams into dollar signs. Now let's dive into 4 valuable tips to skyrocket your Shopify store sales and amplify your profits. Tip number 1. Boosting your profit margins. Let's talk strategy for choosing the perfect products to turbocharge your profits on Shopify. Picture this. You're not just selling any old thing. You're curating a collection of winners that will send your bank account soaring. While it's tempting to dive headfirst into every product under the sun, let's be savvy about it. In those crucial first months on Shopify, focus on quality over quantity. Sure, you might not be breaking sales records right off the bat, but that's no reason to settle for pennies on the dollar. Choose products with juicy profit margins that'll keep you in the green and fuel your entrepreneurial dreams. Think big. You want products that practically sell themselves, allowing you to sit back and watch the cash flow in. So, don't just settle for scraping by. Aim high, choose wisely, and let's make those profits pop. Tip number 2. Search engine optimization. Unlock the gateway to online success with the powerhouse of search engine optimization, SEO. Think about this. A digital realm where the right keywords can catapult your website to the top of search engine results, driving floods of eager customers straight to your Shopify store. SEO isn't just another buzzword, it's a game changer, a multi-million-dollar industry that holds the key to unlocking your website's full potential. But here's the kicker. You don't need to break the bank on pricey SEO agencies to reap the rewards. It all starts with the power of keyword research. Invest your time and effort in selecting the perfect keywords to elevate your site's visibility and propel your profits to new heights. After all, if customers can't find you, they can't buy from you. It's as simple as that. Dive into the world of keyword planning tools like Google's Keyword Planner and Bing Ads' similar tool, and watch as your website climbs the ranks of search engine glory. With SEO as your secret weapon, the sky's the limit. So why wait? Now let's take your SEO game to the next level by diving into the world of transactional keywords, the golden ticket to unlocking your Shopify sales potential. Picture this. Your Shopify dropshipping store pops up in the search results exactly when potential buyers are ready to make a purchase. It's not just about visibility. It's about strategically positioning yourself in front of customers with their wallets wide open. But how do you find these magical transactional keywords, you ask? It's all about punching in different keywords related to your niche and analyzing the results. Look for keywords with not only high monthly search volume, but also a clear intent to buy. We're talking about keywords that scream, "I'm ready to make a purchase," not just those seeking information. By sprinkling these transactional keywords throughout your website, you're not just attracting visitors, you're attracting buyers. After all, why settle for window shoppers when you can fill your digital aisles with eager customers ready to hit that Buy Now button? Remember now, you'll be using the Google Keyword Planner tool or the Bing Ads tool to do your keyword research. So, let's roll up our sleeves, get strategic, and watch as your Shopify sales skyrocket to new heights. Let's get optimizing and unlock the doors to endless success on Shopify. Tip number 3, improve your offer. Ready to catapult your Shopify profits into the stratosphere? Here's a game-changing strategy. Offer something of value to your customers that blows your competition out of the water. Imagine this: your Shopify store standing head and shoulders above the rest, drawing customers in like moths to a flame. How do you do it? It's all about delivering excellence in every aspect of your offering. Whether it's unbeatable product pricing, irresistible incentives for newsletter signups, or top-notch information that leaves competitors in the dust, you're setting the standard for excellence. When your offers outshine the competition, customers can't help but flock to your store, eager to hit that Add to Cart button. Sure, it might take a little extra time and investment to fine-tune your offerings, but trust me, the payoff is more than worth it. To make sure your irresistible offers get the attention they deserve, sprinkle buying keywords throughout your titles and meta tags, boosting your Google rankings and enticing visitors from the moment they land on your site. Get ready to stand out from the crowd and watch as your Shopify sales soar to new heights of success. Tip number 4, capturing emails. Let's talk about turning those curious website visitors into loyal customers who keep coming back for more. Sure, getting eyes on your Shopify dropshipping store is a great start, but here's the thing: most people won't purchase on their first visit. That's where email capturing swoops in to save the day. Think about this: a steady stream of engaging content flowing right into the inboxes of those who sign up for your newsletter. It's like planting a seed of curiosity that grows into a flourishing relationship with your brand. These emails aren't just about direct sales pitches. They're friendly reminders that you're here, offering value and solutions to their needs. With each email, you're nurturing a connection, subtly nudging them to revisit your site and explore what you have to offer. And before you know it, they're clicking that Buy Now button without a second thought. So don't just wait for customers to come back. Give them a reason to. Start capturing those email addresses and watch as your Shopify success story unfolds before your eyes. Before we get into the power of email capturing, check out that link in the description for one of my best recommendations for making money online with Shopify. Make sure to check out that link. And now, let's get back into this Shopify tutorial for beginners video. Let's dive into the power of email capturing as the ultimate weapon in your SEO profit arsenal. Get ready for a game changer. Not only is it endlessly reusable, but it costs absolutely nothing to implement. Talk about a win-win. But here's the secret sauce. To capture the highest number of emails possible, offer something that seems like a steal but costs you next to nothing. Imagine crafting a report that's jam-packed with valuable insights and answers to your visitors' burning questions, all for free. It's like offering them a golden ticket to success, leaving them hungry for more of what you have to offer. But here's the catch. The content has to be top-notch. After all, if it's anything less than stellar, visitors will quickly hit that unsubscribe button faster than you can say lost opportunity. So, take that leap of faith, pour your heart into creating irresistible content, and watch as your email list grows by leaps and bounds. With each email captured, You're one step closer to building a tribe of loyal customers who can't wait to snap up your products. Get ready to revolutionize your SEO game and unlock a world of endless profits. The sky's the limit. With each new visitor, your potential for increased sales grows exponentially, paving the way for a rapid boost in your earnings. Believe it or not, earning extra cash through Shopify is a breeze. No special skills required, just a bit of dedication and the right guidance. Picture this. You putting in the time and effort armed with a few insider tips and watching as your bank account fills up faster than you ever imagined. It's like unlocking a treasure trove of opportunities that could take your Shopify store to new heights. So why not start now, today? Dive into the world of Shopify and get ready to turn your dreams into a reality. With a little perseverance and the right mindset, there's no limit to the success you can achieve. Get ready to watch your earnings soar as you embark on this exciting journey to financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? The time to learn with Shopify is now. Embark on this new journey and seize this Shopify dropshipping moment. Create your Shopify store today and watch your dreams transform into a lucrative reality. Thanks for watching this Shopify tutorial for beginners, and remember the link mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. For more Make Money Online opportunities and tips, click or tap on my next video and I'll see you there.